Right, so I've already tried to film this in my dad's garage, but it was just way too loud. So guys, today I'm gonna change my front grille and a new headlight, since mine has a hole in it. I'm gonna show you in a second. And I'm changing the grille because, well, I've tried to do my own. It looks like rubbish. Oh, it looks good from far away, but when you look in the details, it's just so bad. So this is actually the damage on my headlight. As you can see, the reflector back there is very dirty, so it doesn't light up as good. And also the light bulbs always go bad because water and debris gets inside and it just goes bad. So the battery is out right now and I have an easy access to these nuts. The third one is in such a bad position. So I'm gonna try and show you where the third one is located. It's over there. In order to do that, I'll have to go behind this. But I don't know how am I supposed to do that, so I think I might just take it apart. It's held on by two bolts, so it's an easy job. But I'll actually try and reach it from here.
2 hours later.
I'll have to take it apart. So once you take this apart, you have a very easy access to this bolt right here. I don't know, there might be an easier way, but to my knowledge there is none. Yeah, there is never an easy way, right? Yeah, once I take this out, the headlight is supposed to go out. I already disconnected all the cables, so it should be a straightforward job. So I took it apart. You can see there is a hole inside, and you can see the new one. I mean, the difference is just night and day, right? Look how much dirtier this one is. This one is nice and shiny. So I'm going to try and install it now. So this one should go the same way in as the other one came out. So yeah, let's hope for the best. Very easy to do. I don't know about this one. It's kind of funny. Yeah. Well. So let's check it out if it works. Yay! It does work. Oh, I'm so happy. So it's starting to rain. I have to be fast. Here's a new grill. And I'm gonna show you how you put it on. You go from the outside first. Once you put it like this, from the outside, then you go from the inside and you have these white pins, these ones, right? And you secure them with these click easy brackets, or I don't know what it's called, that hold the pins, which hold the whole grill. It's very easy and nice way to do it. Yeah, we have the grill. I have all the rest in the world here, but yeah, we're done with it. Thank you guys for watching. If you watched till the end, thanks a lot. If you're interested in more content like this, go ahead and subscribe.